Whoa! I don't believe it. Hey guys, good morning from Southern Nevada. Pretty excited. I just picked up a brand new pistol, but you guys got to promise me not to laugh, all right? Look at this little beauty. This is the Altor single shot 9mm, and you know, I haven't even shot this yet, and for some reason I just absolutely love it. It's just something I've never seen before. So my son will be out very shortly. I'm going to set up some targets, but in the meantime, I'm going to show you a short video taking a closer look at this, and then we'll put some rounds through it. Okay, so the pistol comes in just a simple cardboard box. Of course, it has owner's manual, everything you need to know, and it does have a child safety lock. What I like. That's what I think about that. All right, here's the pistol. Look at this beauty, huh? Now this does have sights on it. Look at that. Also has two safeties on it. Has a trigger or a barrel safety right here, and it has a push button safety right here. So that's ready to fire there. And I can twist the barrel, take off the safety here, and it is ready to fire. And you fire this by pulling the trigger here, and I'll show you that here in a moment. But before I do that, let's take this barrel off. So all you have to do is pull that trigger back slightly, twist it, and she comes right off. Look at that, huh? Let's take a look at the barrel. 9mm. You can also get this in 380. There's two indicator notches here on either side, and it is marked top. You know, it looks like a very well-made barrel, and there is about 1 inch of rifling in this barrel. So let's just take a close look here at the grip. And this is how you load it right here. Pull the trigger back slightly. We'll put it on safe first. Pull back the trigger slightly to retract the firing pin. And slip it in. Put the barrel on, put it on safe, and there you go. When you get ready to fire, put it on fire, take off the button safety, and pull the trigger, and bam, off she goes. Now, just to verify, it is unloaded. Now, to shoot this, your middle finger is going to go right below this finger groove right here. If you put it up here, the pistol's not going to fire. I'll show you why. Notice this angle right here. So when I pull that trigger back, let me take the safety off. When I pull that trigger back, my finger is going to slip off that trigger, and that's what's going to fire the pistol. Going to be a little awkward at first, but I'll get the hang of it pretty quick, I think. So again, easy to take apart. And I paid 99 bucks for it at a large sporting goods store. Like I said, it's brand new. I haven't shot it. Anxious to put some rounds through it. So let me show you the ammo we're going to shoot. All right, I got some Federal 115 grain full metal jacket. I also have some CCI shot shells. These have number 12 shot in them. And this is what they look like. And these are good for snakes, rats, mice, and small dinosaurs. So you know what? I think it is time to shut up and shoot. Hey son, what are you doing?
Your tire looked a little on, just checking your air pressure real quick.
Son, that's not a pressure gauge.
The hell is it?
That's a new gun you're going to shoot today.
Nuh-uh.
So, son, what do you think of that new pistol?
Well, I mean, you could throw this in a toolbox and nobody would even know it was a pistol.
Hey, good idea.
Kind of looks like a hot glue gun. You could pull this piece off and use it as a lug wrench.
Okay. Okay, well, tell you what, you ready to shoot that?
Let's do it.
All right, but I'm going to shoot it first since it's mine.
Fair enough.
All right. All right, first rounds through my single shot pistol here. Now this only weighs 10.5 ounces, so I'm going to guess it's going to have a little bit of recoil to it. So I'm just going to shoot it right now, a couple rounds, and see what that feels like. Well, that was a little high. Recoil wasn't too bad. Let's see if I can not flinch this time. Come on now. All right. Bullseye coming up. Hey son, come on down here.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Both bullets went in sideways. Went in just like that. Look at that. So, obviously, if I'm going to mess with this today, it's going to be the gun and not me. Let me try one more round here. Yeah, going in sideways. But you know what? This is designed for just a couple of yards anyways. Oh, I jerked that one too. I'll tell you what. Okay, son, you're up.
All right, I'll give this thing a shot. Here we go. Huh. Yeah, it does have some recoil to it, doesn't it?
Yeah, why don't you put one more round through it?
Uh-oh.
Yeah, it does take a little practice.
Yeah. Shit. There we go. Almost jerked it. Definitely not an easy gun to shoot, I'll tell you that.
All right, go ahead and point her straight up for me. Yeah, they're all going in sideways, every one of them. All right, you know what? I have a steel plate set out about 10 yards. I don't think I'm going to hit it, but let's give it a shot, see what happens. Oh, I don't believe it. I did aim a little low and I hit low, so let's try that one more time here. Two in a row? I really doubt it. Whoa! Ho, ho, ho. Son, guess what?
I'm up.
Yep, you're up.
All right. See if I can hit that thing. See if I can load the thing first. All right, here we go. All right.
Oh, nice.
Try it again. All right.
All right.
Starting to get the hang of it.
4 out of 4 between the two of us.
All right, we moved back just a little bit, probably about 15 yards. See if I can hit it from here.
I'm impressed.
I'm gonna try it one-handed. I'm not gonna hit it, but I'm gonna try it.
$5 if you hit it.
$5?
$5.
And a ride home?
Yep, and a ride home.
Oh, almost jerked it. Dang.
Saved me $5.
Yep, you rich.
I'm not trying that one-handed.
I want to try it again because I'm going to hit it.
All right, $5 still stands.
All right. Ride home still stands? All right. $5, huh?
Oh, I forgot to turn the camera on. No. Hey, good shooting there, son.
Thank you.
All right, I owe you $5 and a ride home. Well, that was a dumb bet. There you go, son. I tell you what, that's a surprise, those bullets going in sideways like that. So I think right now we're going to shoot a couple of CCI snake loads and see how these work. Now, I've never seen any snakes out here. I don't think my son has either. So curious to see how these are going to work. Hey, what are you doing?
I found a snake.
All right, I got a rat, a couple mice, and a dinosaur. Let's see what happens. Whoa, still alive, hang in there, son. Yeah. Killed most of them.
Soda versus a snake shot. All right, here we go. Whoa. Whoa! Didn't really expect that.
Oh yeah, look at that. That was pretty cool.
Whoa! Didn't really expect that. Dad, you got a round on you? I'm gonna try for that plate from here.
Let me check. There you go. Gonna try for that plate, huh?
Why not?
I tell you what, I'm not gonna bet you $5 this time.
Oh!
I'll tell you what, $5 if you can hit it again.
Why not?
Can I have my $5 back if you miss it?
All right.
Fair enough?
That's fair enough.
Double or nothing. That's what we do here in Nevada.
Ah! All right, you got your $5 back.
And a ride home.
And a ride home.
Well, that was fun. Thank you, son. Hey, real quick, I want to mention Altor recommends you do not use plus P ammo in their little pistols here, so we won't do that. But I do have a couple of hollow point rounds on me, so my son's going to shoot this watermelon with a hollow point. Let's see what happens.
Ah, I got one more hollow point. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Ah, look at that, huh? I love watermelon.
So, honest opinion, what do you think?
Well, you're not going to win any shooting competitions with it, that's for sure.
No.
But it is unique, and I like that.
Well, guys, there you go. You know, we had a blast shooting this today. Is it accurate? Well, yes and no. Tell you what, more accurate than I thought it would be with those bullets going sideways, but really a lot of fun to shoot. You know, when I bought this, I ordered it online and had it shipped to a local gun shop, and when I went down to pick it up, all three guys behind the counter looked at it, and every one of them said, man, I gotta get one of those. Now, would you use this for self-defense? Not really, but if you like guns like we do, it's pretty cool. I'll tell you what, if you're out on the range and you pull this little guy out, everybody is going to want to shoot it. $100? Yeah, I highly recommend it. I'm glad I bought it. Something a little different. Anyways, thanks for watching our video. Subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you guys next time. Dang shadow. Well, so far those rounds aren't very accurate, so I'm going to try a couple of rounds of the CCI snake shot, and I've never found any snakes out here. I don't think my son has either, so I got a few mice and some dinosaurs I'm going to set up, but I'm going to shoot the paper target right now with this. Hey, what are you doing?
Ah, I found a snake.
Imagine that.